Right, this is something, I think this is something we ordered a little while back. I think it was back in November. If it is what I think it is, it might be something completely different, so let's have a look. I've got my trusty Swiss Army knife here, so no using dodgy kitchen knives. Well, I think actually there's a bit of a clue there, isn't there?
Well, that it says Colapz.
A cluette.
It says Colapz on it, yeah.
So it is what I've ordered.
Yeah.
That sort of spoils the unboxing, doesn't it?
It does a bit, yeah.
Got a bag for it. That's nice. A little drawstring bag. Yeah, okay. Instructions. Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, thank you from Colapz.
Yep.
A loo brush. I'll explain what that's for in a minute. Medical appliance? No. This is the adapter, so it will fit any pipe, basically.
Oh,
So,
right.
we'll have a look at that. And these are the pipes. Okay. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And an invoice.
Right.
Okay, so let's have a look at one of the pipes first. Get in there. There we go. That's it. So it does that.
Plays a tune.
Plays a tune. Of course, the beauty of it is that because it extends, it takes up less space. So we've got 4 of those.
Do you need 4 then?
Well, I wasn't sure. I suppose because it does extend so far out.
Yeah.
You know, you've got. So what's that? So it's quite a long pipe.
Quite a long pipe.
Yeah. Extends up to 1 metre, so there's meters. So there's 4 metres there altogether. So that takes up an awful lot less space than that great big curly pipe that we've got in the motorhome.
Particularly if it fits in that bag.
Yeah, and it'll fit. Of course, it will fit in this bag, which you'll probably do in a bit. Yeah. So. Just looking at the instructions, you take the flexible end of the waste and you attach it to the waste outlet of your pipe,
Which end is that then?
Voila. And you extend it. It's the flexible bit, that bit. So that can plug directly onto your pipe if it's the right size.
Yeah. If
If it's not the right
size,
you can use this adapter. But this will fit on the tap underneath. Yeah.
Right.
So if it doesn't fit on the tap, you've got the adapter. I'm not sure how this works yet, but that, see, that's like multi-sized, so you can use it for different sizes.
Yeah.
I probably ought to read the instructions at this point.
Yeah. Read the instructions.
Right, so what you end up with is 1 metre, 2 metre, 3 metre, and 4 metres. With an adapter if you need it. I'm not sure I need the adapter yet, but I'll try and see if we need that. So that's good, and that all packs away. So brilliant, I'm pleased with that. We'll try it out on our Bailey tour, because we're going on a circuit pitch, aren't we?
Well, tomorrow, yeah, Buxton.
Yeah. And we'll just get this all back in the bag. You just sort of squish it up. Oh, squish it up. Makes a noise, doesn't it, Pops? Right, so all of this fits in this, fits in this bag. You'll probably have to curl it up. That's the adapter thing. I'll leave that. I'll take it off.
So if you were just using your aqua waste, would you use one of those to go in it?
Couldn't you? You could, you could run it from the waste tap into your waste master, is the thing you're looking for.
Sorry, yeah.
Waste master, yeah.
Yeah. Right.
So we might try it because it's quite a nice short hose and it gets you away from falling under the van, doesn't it? So you could just use that.
Yeah.
Well, that's great. I mean, you think how much space that great big
hose,
4 metre hose takes up.
Yeah.
And that's there. Oh.
What's the toothbrush for?
What's the toothbrush for? It's to clean your teeth, really. No, it's for cleaning the pipes.
Right.
Looks like a toilet roll brush, doesn't it? Well, the idea is obviously you get muck in the pipes.
Yeah.
And all you do is you
push it out. Yeah. Whereas that's really difficult to do, isn't it, with a great big long hose thing?
You wouldn't be able to get. You can get that most of the way there, can't you?
Yeah.
But it's really just to get the what's the word? Clag.
Yeah.
Off. The sticky bits.
Yucky stuff.
Yucky bits, and you can clean your pipes, and then you give them a rinse through, and they'll be clean.
Yeah, because yucky bits could lead to blockages. Yeah,
yucky bits lead to blockages.
Do they?
Yeah.
Alright.
You could actually use that for cleaning the tap itself as well. And the ordinary hose. Right, I'm really pleased with that.
Yep.
Thank you, Colapz.
Yep.
I can't remember how much it was.
I think it was about £30, but
£30?
I'd have to double check.
Yeah. With drawstring bag. Yep. The little things. There you go. Right.
Mustn't forget to take it now then.
Go and put it in your box
Piles
for
to
packing.
take.
Yeah. So this little bag here, this little Colapz bag with 4 metres of hose in it, replaces all of this. Replaces all of this. So, looking forward to using it. So this little adapter just basically fits on like that. That's great. And then you obviously extend it out. Lovely. I've also used the Colapz drain kit. I'm a little bit worried that this is a bit higher than that, but we'll see. So that's it for now. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notifications bell icon, and that way you'll get regular updates when we release a new video. So we'll see you soon.